Pictory.ai Review 2023, How 5 Brands Nailed Pictory in Marketing. Pictory.ai has seen widespread acceptance by many brands since its creation. In this review video, we thought it would help you see how effective Pictory can be for your brand, by showing real-world examples of how brands are using stories. Now, let's dive into the campaigns we've selected. Nike's Dream Crazy campaign inspired millions with its message of pursuing dreams and overcoming adversity. The campaign featured a series of visually stunning ads that showcased athletes who have achieved greatness through hard work and perseverance. The ads were accompanied by a powerful message that encouraged viewers to believe in themselves and their dreams, no matter how big or small. Coca-Cola's Share a Coke campaign created a personal connection with consumers by featuring personalized Coke bottles with people's names on them. The campaign encouraged consumers to share a Coke with someone special and created a sense of community and connection. The campaign was a huge success, with sales increasing by 2.5% and over 500,000 photos shared on social media using the hashtag #ShareACoke. Apple's Shot on iPhone campaign showcased the quality of the iPhone camera with stunning photos and videos taken by everyday users. The campaign featured a variety of subjects, from landscapes to portraits, and was accompanied by the tagline, "Shot on iPhone." The campaign has been a huge success, with the hashtag #ShatonaPhone being used over 17 million times on Instagram alone. Airbnb's Live There campaign took us on a journey to unique locations and reminded us of the benefits of staying in an Airbnb rental. The campaign featured a series of photos and videos that showcased the unique experiences that can be had when staying in an Airbnb rental. The ads featured a variety of locations, from tree houses to castles, and were accompanied by the tagline, "Don't go there." The campaign has been successful in highlighting the benefits of staying in an Airbnb rental and has helped to differentiate the brand from traditional hotels. Dove's Real Beauty campaign promoted a message of body positivity and self-confidence with real women of all ages, shapes, and sizes. The campaign featured a series of photos and videos that showcased real women rather than the airbrushed and unrealistic images typically seen in beauty advertising. The campaign has been successful in promoting Dove's message of body positivity and self-confidence and has helped to establish the brand as a leader in the beauty industry. Each of these campaigns shows how Pictory can be used to tell a story, connect with an audience, and promote a brand's values. By using Pictory, these brands were able to create a memorable and impactful experience for their customers. So, what can we learn from these examples? Pictory is a versatile and powerful tool that can be used in many ways to promote a brand and engage with an audience. By using visual storytelling, brands can create an emotional connection with their customers and make a lasting impression. Pictory can be used to showcase a product, promote a message, or tell a story, and it can help brands stand out from their competitors. To use Pictory effectively, brands should first identify their values and target audience. They should then create a visual story that aligns with their values and resonates with their audience. The story should be authentic, relatable, and memorable, and it should be accompanied by a clear message or call to action. In addition to using Pictory in advertising campaigns, brands can also use it on their website, social media, and other marketing channels. By incorporating visual storytelling into their overall marketing strategy, brands can create a consistent and memorable brand experience for their customers. In conclusion, Pictory is a powerful tool in marketing and advertising. By using visual storytelling, brands can connect with their audience on an emotional level, promote their values, and differentiate themselves from their competitors. The campaigns we've shared today are just a few examples of how brands have used Pictory to create a memorable and impactful experience for their customers. We hope these examples have inspired you to incorporate Pictory into your own marketing strategy. That's all for today's video review. We hope you found it informative and inspiring. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on marketing and advertising. Thank you for watching. This was made with Pictory 2.